Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to ASMAS kitchen. I am Asma. First of all, I wanna wish you very happy Eid. Eid Mubarak. And in today's video, I'm gonna share recipe of Mutton Handi. This recipe of Mutton Handi is Eid special. Give it a try and serve this recipe in your get-togethers on this Eid. And let me know your feedback, right? Let's get started with the recipe of Mutton Handi. Mutton boneless 1 kilogram, 4 onions sliced, 3 tomatoes sliced, butter 200 gram, yogurt 1 cup, 10 green chilies julienne cut, ginger julienne cut, freshly crushed garlic 1 tablespoon, crushed ginger 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, salt 2.5 teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, roasted and grinded cumin seeds 1.5 teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, roasted and grinded whole coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, and water. Now take a pan. In a pan, add all 1 kilogram boneless mutton, then all sliced onion and sliced tomatoes and 2.5 teaspoon salt, two cups of water, and 1 tablespoon of freshly crushed garlic and ginger 1 tablespoon, then stir it and let it cook for 45 minutes. After 5 minutes, it is boiling, so now I'm gonna cook it on low medium flame for rest of 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, mutton, onion, tomatoes are really well tendered. Stir it. After stirring, add 1 cup of yogurt. Mix it well. Then 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of roasted and grinded whole coriander seeds, turmeric powder half teaspoon, roasted and grinded cumin seed 1.5 teaspoon, half teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it well. Then let it cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. After 10 minutes, this is the look of food. Now I'm gonna add 200 gram of butter, half of julienne cut ginger and green chilies, cover it and let it cook for more 10 minutes. Meanwhile, heat up a piece of coal on other flame. After 10 minutes, butter is completely melted in curry and aroma of freshly melted butter in food is just unexplainable. It's incredible. And now I am adding rest of garam masala and let it simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, food is ready. So in this last step, put a piece of bread over mutton and then this heated piece of coal, and I am dripping some drops of cooking oil over the coal, now covering it. After 5 minutes, wow, aroma is just fantastic. Discard the piece of coal and bread. Now I am dishing it out. Sprinkle rest of julienne green chilies. And ginger. That's it. Mutton Handi is ready. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media. Link in description. Give thumbs up if you like this quick and easy recipe of Mutton Handi. Leave comment below. Share it with your family and friends. Subscribe ASMAS Kitchen for more mouth-watering recipes, and don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will notified when I upload a new video. I shall see you soon with another exotic recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.